At Flow-Rite Plumbing, a division of Vectra Mechanical, we pride ourselves on quick and effective solutions for even the toughest plumbing problems. Recently, our team tackled a major residential sewer line repair caused by a house-wide backup. A customer called with issues affecting all of their drains. Using a camera scope and locator wand, our team had found several blockages and pipe damage to the sewer line, requiring a full replacement to the city tap in order to return the home's drainage. This type of problem can often lead to extensive repairs and very long delays. But at Flow-Rite, we acted quickly to secure all necessary permits, coordinate materials, and scheduled a single day to complete all of the work. We arrived early to set up a safe work zone and carefully remove any structures that could be impacted. We then began the excavation process, using heavy equipment to dig a trench and road sawing on the asphalt. We created a clear path to the broken pipe, revealing damage caused by tree roots breaching the sewer line. Our crew systematically removed the damaged line and installed a new, high-quality replacement pipe. The new conduit was aligned and connected to both the home and the city's main line, ensuring secure, up-to-code connections, all while we kept the homeowner informed throughout the process. After passing the necessary inspections, we backfilled the trench, compacting the soil to prevent settling. We carefully restored the area, returning any removed structures and even landscaping the impacted areas. Any size plumbing repairs can be daunting, but with Flow-Rite Plumbing, you can trust the job will be done right the first time. If you have any plumbing issues, call us today for reliable expert service.